Today I want to check if it's possible to start trading with $11 and how much beginner without experience can earn thanks to the DAF's binary strategy. A subscriber earned it $99,000 in 8 days. And his experience is absolutely zero. There's a guy like you. He was trying to find ways to make money and just found that strategy on the internet. I have $11, guys, on my account today, and I want to teach you anything. Just like him, I will open but instruction for that strategy and repeat everything step by step. My task is to make as much money as possible, checking how it works. I'm doing everything in real time so you can study with me. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, it's this time right now. Fix this right now, and thank you for doing this on the platform. So we're gonna use the classic candles, so that time frame for 1 minute or M1. In the indicator section, I would choose to move an average line, parabolic, SAR, and stochastic escalator. Guys, I looked at the instructions right here and just repeat everything in order. In the moving average, I need to set up this to 20 on periods, alright? And EMA, axial moving average. Look this, origin 3 on thickness, click on save. Right now, parabolic, we're gonna use 3 on acceleration and maximum acceleration 3. Style, let's use yellow. Should be very cool, right? Click on save. And right now, the last one is stochastic oscillator, click on it. 20 on K period, 4 on D period, 4 on its moving period, and simple moving average. And look, this style is up to you. I like yellow, orange, green, red, 200 thickness for all. And click on save. Yeah, guys, everything is set up now, and I can try to look the first signal to my session. Let's do this together. Hey, do you want to join a group where share signals and strategy that really work? And the best part, it's completely free. Then listen up. In my free group, I share various strategies, insights, and live operations, 100% real and transparent. I will never ask you for money and won't spend anything to join, alright? Want to learn how to earn more with operations? Click the link in the description or the first pinned comment and join the group now. See you there, guys. Each currency pair is suitable for me to use this strategy like Quotex to see your stock, my friends. Say it doesn't matter. Now I have found an excellent moment on this pair right here. And I think it will open with $11. Trade here for 1 minute on time. Click on sell button. Yeah, this first time is 1 minute and click on the red button. I press the red button right now and I think the price will decrease. Let's not waste time, and step by step I show you what it entails. I look at the find the signal. I did everything strictly according to the instruction. Okay, let's go, guys. So the first step right here, the first thing that you need to check it out is the parabolic trend. Okay, when you got this curve right here, that means for us a downtrend, right? And look at this, the first detail. I look at it when I open in this currency pair. The second detail is the candle is moving average. When you got this crossing line with the first candle, the red candle right here. When you got this crossing line with the candles on the moving average, the parabolic, we have a downtrend. Right? And now I see the last 3 candles below the moving average, as I said. And on the basket, this line is moving in a red critical zone from below. The green candle to red candle. It's very good signal for me to suggest that the past facts are confirming and we have a really good chance of lowering the price. It's very fast trading, this time is running out. And now my balance is $21. Okay, and let's use this for the next one. All right, let's do this together and moving on. And so I see another signal right here. You see this example? I think after a short explanation, you already understand what I'm going to do the expiration time. So 1 minute again, my trade is lowers the price. Okay? Everything is the same as in the last signal. Everything is very similar. I checked 3 indicators, found 3 good details for the signal, and now I'm just waiting for the results. I want to use a bad action to the candles. It's very important that exactly 3 candles cross the moving average line, the maximum 4, 5. Right now, this is right in instruction, and this is probably the most important factor when you're searching for a signal. I'm serious, guys, don't forget to do this. If you open trade when a candle have not crossed the line, it may be a fake signal. If you open a trade when 10 or 20 candles have already opened and after the line, the moment it may have already answered, you will be late. Okay? 3 or 4 candles are the best option for this strategy. So I checked this detail very strictly in each currency pair. Okay guys, look at this. It's a very good example. And this is another profitable trade. Alright? So don't forget to check the pair work, the moving average, the crossing line with the candle, and the stochastic oscillator. And now look at this my balance, $4, and that's we gonna use to the next one. Okay guys, I'm still trading and I want to give you some more tips that are read in instructions. And one of these tips is a trend in a currency bearish. If a currency bearish looks like a zigzag and constantly jumps down and up and down, break all levels and look noisy, this is not a bad choice. It's understand that for depth indicators, for depth trading strategies, it's better to use slower and smaller currency pairs. You can see this using the moving average line, alright? You can just cross the average line more than 4 or 6 times in an hour and see this in the screen. It is a fast currency pair and this is better to look for something else. If you see 1, 2, maybe 3 intersections in the moving average, it's good and will work more stably. Remember this rule, it's very important too, alright? And another profit, guys, $76, alright? Okay guys, I finally found a situation to raise the price, but I'm going to lose my money here. Yeah, I want to show you an example for losing trading. Everything is done correctly here. I have checked everything. I have analyzed everything. I have a look at all the factors in details according to the instruction that I set for you. But I'm still losing my money. This can also happen, really friends. This can also happen, it's just fake signal. There is no way we can get around this. Once, maybe 2, 3 times in an hour, you always get such trades, and this is absolutely normal. This is normal situation, just a fake signal. It's not scary. I've been trading for an hour now, and I only see downtrends. Okay? Alright guys, I trade where I see the opportunity and a good signal, and I can't go against the instruction. So now let's wait for this result right here, that I click on the downtrend. And pay attention when get the crossing line, the moving average, the parabolic showing the downtrend, and this ask oscillator as well, the green line to the red line. Hey, wait a minute. Before I see the results of this trade, how about competing for a 100 account to test the strategy I taught in the video? It's simple. Leave a positive comment and join my Telegram group through the link in the description. Let's make the most of it. Yeah guys, here I take a profit and it was $100.17 on my buys right now. I could have made more profits if I hadn't been for the last unprofitable trade, but that is okay. It's also very cool for me. I multiply my balance 10 times, my friends. 10 times is very, very good results for $10 to 117 in less than an hour for work. It's very good trade session. And now I can give you an answer that strategy work at it. Otherwise, you have to try it very carefully. Yeah, guys. Okay? So now, subscribe on my YouTube channel right now. Like this video and just write me something to my Telegram link in this video description. Or let me something on the comments. Okay? So act right now. I wish you more profit. I wish you good luck and see you soon on the lives.